Hello, good day everyone. Rohilya here, and today I'm going to share to you tip on how to retrieve deleted documents or folder from the files on your Teams. So let's start. So supposing you wanted to retrieve some documents that was deleted on your files, click on Files, and from your files, just choose one Students folder. Then look for the ellipsis or the triple dot. Click on that. And once you click on that ellipsis, look for Open in SharePoint. Once you open in SharePoint, it will direct you to a browser where you have saved or logged in your Microsoft account. Alright, so from here, we have to look for the recycle bin. Click on the recycle bin, and from here, we can look for the deleted folder that may or your student have deleted it accidentally or purposely. So you wanted to restore this to the files. So from that, click on that folder, and you may have the restore button here on top. Click on restore. Okay, and then it will be automatically be restored or restored in your files. So how to check on it? Go to the documents found on the left side of the screen. And from here, you can see already here the general folder. Click on the general folder. And I have already Aman's folder here backed to the general folder. Now you may go back also to Teams to check if Aman's folder is back. Just try to go back to the beginning so that it will refresh your files. Then go back to the files. Here we go. Aman's folder is already here. Alright, so simple step to follow. I hope you have learned something today. Thank you so much for watching my video. Till next time. Bye.